Introducing the new Electrolux Group VIM content libraries for an extensive range of Electrolux Group appliances from recognised brands AEG, Vintec, Electrolux and Westinghouse. With this library, you'll have access to a wide variety of high-quality 3D Revit models of appliances for your next project. The comprehensive Electrolux Group library features 99 Revit families covering over 200 products across multiple categories. Each brand library includes a virtual showroom Revit file with all products laid out to optimise library download, browsing, QA and selection workflows. Easy to use and available in multiple Revit versions, Electrolux Group Revit content can be downloaded as virtual showrooms, collections or individual families, making it efficient for designers to download and use the models you need. In line with industry best practices, Electrolux Group Revit families are all natively modelled in Revit. Incorporate level of detail settings, a minimalistic approach to project parameters, and where applicable, required space zones to represent ventilation, compliance, and door swing spatial requirements. From refrigerators and washing machines to cooktops and ovens, the Electrolux Group Revit library has everything you'll need to create stunning and accurate kitchen and laundry designs. The Electrolux Group Revit library enables architecture, engineering and construction professionals the ability to more efficiently develop designs and facilitates collaborative design opportunities for sustainable development and building. So why wait? Visit the Electrolux Group commercial websites today and start exploring our library of BIM content downloads for appliances.